Oh my goodness, let me turn this camera around, guys. Hey everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, I'm not in the kitchen today, but I am in the bathroom. So follow me. I have another small little project to do. Just bear me a moment. Okay guys, so I am regrouting the shower floor in the master bathroom. Because it's not that it needs to be regrouted. Yes, well, it needs to be regrouted, but what happened was I thought it was because of some dirt thing, but I knew that was impossible. But when I began to use my tool to take off the old grout, guess what? There was no grout in there. That's why it looks dark. But let me turn it around so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you see here, you see this? That's because there's no grout in there. But it looks like dirt, right? Nope. It's no grout. Look, I'm going to show you. See, this is my tool. Oops, not my toes, but my tool. So you just get, if you had grout, if you wanted to re-grout and you want to take the old grout out, you simply get this tool is fabulous. See? And you see there's no grout coming out of there because it was no grout in there. You know? So I still going to re-grout all of the towels. You see right here? There's nothing in there. See? There's no grout. That's why it looks dark. But let's say you wanted to re-grout. So you just take your time and do all of that. I just want to show you that. Now, to get all that grout off, you simply use this wet dry vac. It's so simple and so easy because brushing it is not going to do it. It's just going to get back into spaces. So I'm going to turn it on for a minute. Let me show you guys. So you see how simple and easy that was to get that dust, these grout from off of your tiles and in between the spaces, because you want to make sure that when you put the new grout on it, that it's nice and clean. So let me just show you guys something else. So I'll show you some of my tools. So I bought this from Home Depot, less than $20. This is the color that I'm using, the Arctic White, because it's not really pure white. So I'm going to use this. This is already ready to use and it's simple. Then I'm going to use, hold on a moment guys, my trowel. Hope I'm saying it right. This tool right here to spread it, right? See? And then once I spread it, to wipe off the excess grout, I'm going to use this sponge. So let me spread it on the old, on the tiles in between the grout. So give me a moment. Let's see here. Let's see how we're going to do this. Let me see if I can set this camera up so you guys can see it from here. I believe you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see that's perfect. I don't have to get my stand. So I'm just going to pour some of this on like this. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll just pour it on. You see, guys? Let me see if you can see. Oh, yeah, you can see that. It's perfect. So I'm going to just start with a little bit at a time. Uh-oh. Sorry about that, guys. Let me see. I think I got it. Hopefully. So I'm going to spread it. You know. Let's start from the beginning. Oh my gosh, I keep dropping this phone. But I'm just going to hold this phone and just do it with one hand so you get the picture. You see? You see? So you guys get the picture, right? Yes, darling. Ooh. So I have to put this phone down because I can't do all of this at one time, but you get the picture. You see? Now just look at this. Remember? Look at that, guys. Ooh, that's beautiful. All right. So, I'm going to let you guys see the finishing touch. As you get the picture, though. You see that, right? All right. Okay, guys. So, as you see, you don't see any black anymore. So, all I have to do is take that sponge that I showed you. Wipe that off, the towels off. And then you will see the end results. But as you see, don't it look nice? Ooh-wee! I just gotta do around the drain and I'm done. Let's see. Okay, so I wet this sponge and I don't, soak and wet, but I have to get this old stuff out of here. I could have been a little neater, but you know how it goes. Oh, shoot. I don't want to wet the grout. So, it could have been a little neater, but because this is actually, it's easy to come off, you see? See? I don't want to take the new grout off. So I think I'm going to just wait until it dries all the way. It may be a little more work, but you know what? It is what it is. See? Oh, it's easy to come off the tile itself. So you see? See? Yeah, that's easy to come off. There you go. See? So what I'll do is, because I have to step in here, let me see if I can demonstrate one. You see this one right here? So let's see if I get the sponge. Oh yeah, there it goes. You see? So what I'll do is, excuse me, my nose is running. I will, see, I'm just wringing it out. And I'll just wait until, it's a hot mess. This bathroom is horrible, y'all, so I was doing some work in here, so I had to move and shift everything, but it is what it is. Yeah, see, that's so much better. Yeah, so much better. So I'll just wait until, the grout in between dries. And then, yeah. Yep, it'll come off easy. See, guys? That looks pretty. Go ahead, girl. Do your thing, honey. Just tell me that women my age, if able to DIY. Because you know what that does? That saves us a lot of money. Yep. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Roxanne is rocking. That's ROCKIN. Listen, guys, hit that thumbs up for me. Let me know what you think.